Joining us now is Shen. He is a president and chief executive officer of RNA, focusing on the development of treatments and vaccines. First, let me get your thoughts about these latest cases cropping up in Shanghai and Tianjin. This is going to continue to be the COVID story, right? I mean, you're going to see these small little outbreaks. If you don't jump on them right away, this thing can spread like wildfire.
Yes, I mean, China did pretty good in control the disease spreading. So right now, it's really, we don't see many active kind of case. So they did a wonderful job. Yeah.
And as you mentioned, they did a wonderful job. They also have a good relationship with the WHO, also involved in COVAX efforts. Kind of talk to us about the general landscape and China's involvement.
Yeah, so China is very active in the WHO vaccine program, and at the same time, there are several vaccine programs already in phase 3 clinical trial, and like the one you just mentioned, the Sinovac, and also there's another one like CanSino, which they just launched their phase 3 trial in Mexico. So we do see multiple vaccine program has been processed in clinical trial phase 3 in multiple countries. And since China, they don't have many active those kind of case, so it's obviously, so they have to do those kind of clinical trial outside of China.
Yeah, you just talked about Sinovac. There's also encouraging news coming here in the United States about possible vaccine. You know, Pfizer coming up with a vaccine that they're saying 90% it could impact people in terms of preventing the virus. Do you see light at the end of the tunnel right now? I mean, where are we in this fight?
So actually, we are in pretty good shape at this moment, just to be honest with you. So we just finished the vaccine meeting last Friday at WHO, and today we all heard the great news from the Pfizer, and that's result is extremely good, 90%, because we all know for phase 3 primary endpoint is not for the antibody. It's not talking about the neutralization, those kind of T cell antibody and then T cells, those kind of titration. We're really talking about the protection. How the vaccine can protect people from getting those kind of COVID-19 disease. So the result from Pfizer, I mean, it's 90%. It's really exceed the market expectation. So even the president of the Pfizer, they're talking about it. They were talking about 60 to 70%. But not realize the initial result. I mean, based on the 64 case, which is 90%. So back to your question, do we see the light? I mean, yes, we definitely see the light. So that's the market. You will see that this is a huge up the market in the States, and not only in the States. I mean, all over the world. So personally, I'm very confident. It's not only the vaccine. The Eli Lilly's antibody cocktail also got the emergency use authorization from FDA today. And there are also other good news from Novavax, which is a recombinant protein vaccine for COVID-19. So we did see multiple huge progress and those kind of milestone being achieved across the world. So personally, I'm very confident. Even we're really in the middle of the second wave. Yeah.
Yeah, and you're with RNAimmune. Talk to us about your company. I mean, what's it been like trying to attack this virus? I mean, so many companies working, it seems like 24/7 to try and get the upper hand on this.
Yeah. So our company is actively involved in COVID-19 vaccines. So currently, we already developed the second generation of the COVID-19. So right now, while people are focused on the first generation, we already have the second generation. So currently, we are working with FDA regarding the R&D, and we try to start our clinical trial. And besides the COVID-19 vaccines, we also have the flu vaccine and also the vaccine program for the oncology. So we have rice vaccine program on oncology, and so far so good. So we are working hard, and we try to deliver the solution to end this pandemic. So so we are not working alone. So we are working closely with the WHO. So our program also has been listed by the WHO, and we also work closely with the FDA. So 2 weeks ago, we finished a meeting with FDA. So I have to emphasize this is a teamwork. So this is the effort from all the government, from the regulatory agent, and also from the academia and also industry. So we are all working hard, and I'm very confident that we are going to win. We are going to win this pandemic. So we'll go back to the normal.
Well, get some rest tonight and get back at it again tomorrow, and thanks for all your work. We all appreciate it, certainly.
Thank you so much.